Yes.
Couldn't seem to fall asleep.
Sing, y'all.
There was so much on my mind.
Yes.
Searching for that peace.
Yes.
But the peace I could not find.
Yes.
So then I kneeled down to pray.
Yes.
Pray and help me, please.
Yes. Sing, y'all. Sing.
He said you don't have to cry. Oh, I'll supply all your needs. As I stop worrying. Soon as I stop worrying. There's so much going on. Sometimes I can't find my way. And oftentimes I struggle from day to day. I had to realize it is not my battle. It's not my battle to fight. But hell, let my forgiveness to get as I am. Everything would be alright. Soon as I stop worrying. Then I'll let go. Let go, let God, let go, and let God, let go, and let God, oh, let go, and let God, let go, and let God, my brother, let go. Go and let God. My sister, you can't handle it. Let God. Oh, let go and let God. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. He's the only one with the answer. Let God. He can handle it all, yes he can. With tears in your eyes, just let God. He feels your pain, and he knows your heart. He knows your issues. He knows your struggle. So let go and let God. Soon as then I let go. I let go and I let him have. go. Let God. Let go. Let God. Let go. Let God. Let go. And let God. Let go. Let God.
Let's go.